let some matrix A is equal to, say we have 8 minus 4 2 2, like this a matrix is given. Okay, we need to get the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So first of all we will find the eigenvalues, later we'll come to eigenvectors. So to get the eigenvalues, what we do is, firstly we need to get an equation. Means obviously you need some equation to get some value. Okay, so some quadratic equation or third degree equation you need to get some values there. So here firstly you will write the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation means an equation associated with this matrix. Characteristic equation which is given by determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. Someone is unmuted, please mute yourself. So characteristic equation is A minus determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now what is this lambda and all? Okay. So this lambda is a value, means we are associating a positive, is a non-zero value lambda, such that determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, where this lambda is the eigenvalue. Okay, we will find the value of this lambda, and that values we will call as eigenvalues. Okay, so determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. So to get that one, the lengthy method is like this. So to get determinant of A minus lambda A equal to 0, firstly we will consider matrix A minus lambda AI. Here I will go a bit elaborate. Later on we will directly write this step only. So A minus lambda I means, what you will do is, this is A minus lambda into I. So this is matrix. Okay. So this is 8 minus 4 2 2 minus lambda into I. I is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay, order 2, because whatever the order of this matrix, I will be of that same order. So here 8 minus, for this matrix is of order 2 by 2. So here I will be a matrix of order, an identity matrix of order 2. So here I will write 1 0 0 1. Now just we will simplify this one. So as I gave in the quiz. So here what we will have, 8 minus 4 2 2 minus this lambda, take it inside. Okay, so that is lambda 0, lambda into 1, lambda into 0, then lambda into 0 0 here, lambda into 1, lambda here. Now subtracting this one. So when you subtract matrices or add matrices, what we do is similar terms. This is A11, first row first column. This is A11, first row first column of this matrix. Okay, similar means elements which are at the same place, you will add or subtract them. So whatever the sign which is in the middle, you will be putting that sign between this 8 and lambda. So this is 8 minus lambda. 8 minus lambda. Next is minus 4 minus 0. Similar element, this element and this element. So minus 4 minus 0 will be minus 4. Then this is 2 minus 0 means 2, and this is 2, this one and this one, 2 minus lambda. So this is the matrix. Okay, now associated characteristic equation. Therefore, the characteristic equation determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. This will be determinant. This is matrix. You will take the determinant of that. A minus 8 minus lambda minus 4 2 2 minus lambda equal to 0. Okay, now we will open this determinant. I hope you remember how to open this determinant. So to open the determinant, what you will do, multiply these two and then multiply these two. Okay, so when you will multiply that 2, that is 8 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. So 8 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus, so this into this minus, then we will take minus this minus 4 into 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, this is you know it already how to do that. So now we will just open that bracket and all. So that is, open this bracket, 8 to the 16, 8 into 2, then 8 into lambda. So minus 8 lambda minus 2 into lambda, this 2 lambda, then lambda into lambda. So minus lambda into minus lambda means plus lambda square, minus minus becomes plus, 4 to the 8 equal to 0. Okay, now just arrange it. So lambda square minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 lambda, then plus 16 plus 8 24. So plus 24 equal to 0. Okay, so now you can solve this using your calculator and all. Two numbers to sum is 10, minus 10, and product is 64. So you will have lambda minus 6 and lambda minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you know this one. So two numbers whose sum is minus 10, product is 24, minus 6 and minus 4. Sum will be minus 10, product is 6 into 4. Minus 6 into minus 4 is plus 24. Okay, so like that you can do, or use a calculator. Therefore, we get lambda equal to 4 and 6. So these are the eigen values. Okay, so lambda is 4 and 6. These are the eigenvalues. Now you can find two vectors associated with this one. Means two eigenvalues are there. So you can find the eigenvectors associated with this. Okay, so that is the concept of eigenvalues. Now here, instead of doing this all lengthy process, what we can do is, the shortcut is, we have A is equal to this 8 minus 4 to 2. Then immediately we can write therefore. So hereafter you have to do like this, what I am doing now. Therefore characteristic equation is determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. What happens in exam and all? So students normally what they do is they will just write determinant like this, A minus lambda I. Instead of determinant they will write matrix equal to 0. This is wrong. Matrix cannot be evaluated like determinant. Okay, so when you write this determinant, matrix symbol, you cannot write it as, means you cannot write that as the characteristic equation. So if you write characteristic equation is like this, then this is wrong. Okay, because you cannot open a matrix like we open a determinant. So when you write a characteristic equation, be careful, you write only the determinant there. So we wrote like this. Then what you have to write, that is A minus determinant I. So if you look at here, see what we have done. With the diagonal elements, you subtracted lambda. Now 8 minus lambda and 2 minus lambda. Remaining all elements are like that only. So you need not write these steps. You can directly write this is equal to 8. What we will write, that is 8 minus lambda minus 4 2 minus lambda equal to 0, and then we will simplify it, equal to 0. So this is lambda square minus the next steps. If you need, you can write these all steps. If you want, you can write. Okay, otherwise directly, simply, if you know that directly to write, then it is okay. So plus 24. So it's write one step before this, that will be helpful for you, equal to 0. Therefore lambda equal to 2 and 4 and 6. Okay, so like this we can find it out.
minus 10 lambda रहेगा ना,
Minus
10 lambda minus
yeah,
6 जो लिखे
right.
इसकी जगह पे बैठ
Okay.